Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt and this is Wakey Two Wheels, and today I'm feeling a bit deflated. I feel like I need to get some wind in my sails. Roll the montage. It's not the best day as weather goes. It's said it's not going to rain today and it's going to be cloudy with sunny spurts, but all I can see is cloud at the moment. Let's get past this, guys. Today, I mean, you join me on a Saturday today. I wasn't going to ride out today for reasons I'm not sure I can talk on YouTube about without being struck or something like that, but I'm going to do it anyway. At the time of filming this video is the time when the UK is going through a bit of turmoil. The UK has rioting everywhere at the moment, and there's been whispers that those riots are going to be happening in my hometown today. So I took my chance and got the hell out of there. It's my day off, because obviously what I do for a living, that kind of stuff can affect it. I'm sorry I'm being very vague, it's just like I've got to be very careful what I mention on YouTube. Yeah, I didn't want anything to do with it, to be honest. Whether you're with immigration or against immigration, it's not an answer to throw a brick, throw a petrol bomb. It's not the answer. So I'm out of there. If you want to smash up your own town, Wakefield, there you go for it. So we've just come into the town of Howden. I think you'll have seen this place before in a few of my other videos. Like I say, I do travel this route quite a lot. It's one of the main routes to get to East Coast. Which way am I going? I'm going round. And very old townhouses. In the middle of this place, you're just coming up to it now, there's a stonking great church like that. You can just see it over the rooftops. That tea room. And Howden is a gorgeous little town. Nice little butchers there. Plenty of pubs. It's a very old town. A lot of history in this town. The Wellington Hotel. and the streets you go through. Coffee and wine. I think I'm alright for fuel at the moment. Might have to get some on the way back. The fuel stop right there. Has anybody else noticed that the fuel's getting cheaper? Right, so that's the way to Home upon Spalding Mall. And that's the way to Bridlington and stuff like that, and we're taking the next exit, which is the way to Beverly. B1230. And we're heading towards the most Yorkshire sounding place I have ever heard of, which is Gilberdyke. You can't say it without sounding Yorkshire. Gilberdyke. Oh, look at that though. Wide open spaces. That's all I ask for. Right now we are in a small town, it's coming up here, look, called North Cave. And it is a sleepy little town. It's got like one pub and one shop. But for a lot of people my age, it means the start of your holiday, does this town. Because this is where you come off the motorway and start heading towards the east coast. And further up the road there is a back route that I would love to take you, because it is beautiful and there is no traffic on those roads apart from the odd tractor. Right, so for the people that know this way, you've gotten to North Cave, you've got to the newsagents in the tight turn, you've hung a right, and now you're here and you're going up this long stretch past William's Den, and it'll ask you, the sat nav anyway, it will ask you to take a left and then an immediate right. Don't do it. Instead of taking that immediate right, carry on going, and I'll show you. Carry on going. Here's your left. And put your sign for Market Wheaton there, and see them all indicating that is your immediate right. Don't take it. If you're on a bike, keep going. Keep going. Your sat nav will play hell with you. It'll tell you to turn around, all sorts, like mine's trying to do right now, but just keep going. For 2 minutes down this road. You go a bit further down the road, 2 minutes, you start seeing signs to slow down a bit, and then you'll see this crossroad sign, South Newbald, and this is where we're turning right. And as soon as you turn right, you'll start seeing why. If it were a sunny day, this would have been a stunning ride, this. You come this way because there's nothing around you. Only traffic is cyclists and farm traffic. And there's just nothing around you. No roads to bother you, no idiots overtaking you. Just a hell of a way to cross the countryside. So yeah, I've added about 3 minutes to my journey there. Whoa, I've got a bee stuck on me there, get away. I've got a bee in my trousers. That was not a fun thing to have on my trousers. Little bugger. I just saw the damn thing smack my chest, then fall down into my crotch. I'm not having that. That is not a place I want to be stung. Now, if you wanted to, you could carry on, but that would be adding about 25 minutes to my journey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn, hang a right here. Oh, there's too much traffic. And head down into Beverly. But yeah. So, just seen a sign for Skidby, so I'm taking it. This is Skidby Road. And this is is it Little Waiton? Little Waiton. Tiny little village. A little bit hazy today, you can't see as far as you normally can. It is very humid. I mean, it might not look it on the camera because it looks quite grey, but it is really hot today. I think it's about 20 degrees right now. But there is a nice cool breeze, which is keeping me nice and cool right now. And we'll just dip down into Skidby. And this is Main Street, Skidby. Oh, let's open that up a bit. Oh. So we've got 4 minutes until we get there. Hey, it's a tight corner. And I can see the windmill. Wonder how you get down to it there. Is that how you get down to it? Right, don't think I can go any further than that, but I'll get my crap together, guys, and I'll show you around a bit. Well guys, what a visually stunning place. This is us pulling away, and it is tucked away behind all these houses. So I'll just reposition you a little bit there. There we go. Oops. It's tucked away behind all these houses here. It's a gorgeous place. Now, I need to go find some signal. I need to go find some signal because my phone has none. First of all, guys, tell me what you think of the place. I mean, visually, what a fantastic place to sit and have a cup of tea. It was such a shame, though, that the sales were down. But I was reading a little notice in the window saying that they're under restoration, so they've taken the sales down. Because normally you'd have 4 sails on a windmill. But that's what that kind of frame structure was in the courtyard. You alright, mate? But yeah, it's not just a cafe, it was a museum as well. Now sadly, at the time of me going there, the museum was shut. It shuts halfway through the day and reopens later on. But to be honest, I'm not here for the museum, I'm here for the cafe. And I'm here to give you guys ideas of where to ride. And I can very much recommend that place. The ride here, it's Beverly. We've been here before. It's not too taxing on you. For all you newbies out there, it's a fairly standard ride. Nothing too challenging. Perfectly well to do on a 125 bike. Scenery, stunning. Roads well looked after. When you get to the cafe, like I say, it is an absolutely stunning place to sit and have a cup of tea. There's a nice courtyard bit when the weather's nice like it is today, even though it doesn't look it. Inside, lovely atmosphere inside, really nicely done out. Staff, really professional. Really helpful as well. One thing I did love about it is that it had brilliant toilet facilities because I really needed to go. But it's always that little bit nicer if you walk into toilets and it's nice and tidy. If any of the staff do actually listen to this, you are doing a really good job there. Yeah, the menu quite extensive, you can get a lot there. Anything from snacks to full meals. Prices not bad actually. I could see plenty of. I'm not too sure on the parking for bikes, but I mean I just plugged it away in a little corner somewhere. But I don't know what they're like with parking for bikes. I don't know if they want loads of bikes parking up there or not. But honestly, if they advertise themselves to bikers, they get a lot of custom there. And if you're done with a cafe and you want something a bit stronger, there's some nice pubs around. I've just gone past one called the Black Horse. It looks lovely. Little village pub. But yeah, like I said, tell me what you guys think. Did you like it? Do you want to go there? I know a few of you are watching my videos and making lists of places where you want to go. Would you add that to your list? Tell me. Pop it down in the comments. If it's possible, if you haven't already, can you please like, share, subscribe? And yeah, please share the video because it helps me get more followers helps me make more videos. And I love doing this. I really don't want to stop doing this. I'm not really that bothered about money-wise. I'm not bothered about getting the channel monetized or anything like that. I mean, I've set it as a goalpost. If I can get to the point where my channel gets monetized, then I've achieved something. But I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it just because I love riding and I love sharing stuff with you guys. Now, just before we go, there is one more place I'd like to show you. And it's somewhere I went while I was out walking one day. So, not on the bike. This is Wakey Two Wheels. Hope you enjoy. Roll the clip. So yeah, if you find the little, the pretty boat calf floating about somewhere, stop and buy a cup of tea off them. It was a lovely, lovely couple on the boat. And they were really friendly and really chatty. And they're doing a grand job floating up and down the Yorkshire canals, serving people with cups of tea, bars of chocolate, and snacks and little meals. And if you do find them and you do get a cup of tea off them, tell them Wakey Two Wheels sent you. So definitely recommend a ride to the sales in Beverly, in Skidby, Beverly. And it is just another place I've put on my list as a place to go. It's a beautiful ride out here. Get yourselves out here, guys. So, I will leave you good people to your days. I wish you the best of days. And we also go out there riding safe, no accidents. And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.